Hello?
Well, hello there, little cub. All alone, are we? Tell you what, how'd you like to see a secret place?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. There's a great treasure hidden in a nearby cave. I'm sure a brave cub like you would be very interested in discovering it.
Thank you, but I really must go home now. My father is expecting me.
Suit yourself, cub, but you're making a mistake.
Help! Help, someone, please.
Nowhere left to run, little lion. This isn't good.
Simba, my son, you were very brave. You remembered what I taught you. Never trust strangers, Simba, and always ask for help when you're in danger.
He thought he could trick us.
But courage, wisdom, and friendship are stronger than any evil. And so the story ends. May it teach us that cooperation, bravery, and caution are important lessons for everyone, young and old.